Check. 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. 1 2. Kanyan sawa. 1 2 1 2 1 2.
I thought they were going to come and flank us.
Okay.
Yeah.
Colleagues, could you guys go to the flankers?
I can read without. Yeah.
Hey, you're the representative.
I want to see what difference there is.
Yes,
Yeah, it becomes
clear.
yeah.
The ODM hegemony.
Members of the press, you are ready? Okay. Thank you for coming. This is our statement titled, "What Next After Ruto's Contempt Budget?" Yesterday we saw what happens when a rogue and uncaring executive branch of government decides that the only thing that matters is their ego and their agenda. We have learned the hard way that this illegitimate regime can ignore the people, their feelings, their fears, their circumstances, their hopes and aspirations, and force its agenda on the people. That is what Ruto and his Kenya Kwanza followers did with the passage of the Finance Bill 2023. They ignored the wishes of the majority of Kenyans, and this signals the era of dictatorship. We ask Kenyans to beware. We say pole to the millions of Kenyans who are struggling to come to terms with this harsh reality. We know many of you think this is a nightmare that will probably fizzle out. Unfortunately, it is here with us and here to stay unless we act now. Because we are not helpless, we can act. The Ruto regime ensured that the wishes of the people were ignored. Instead, they retained punitive taxes on fuel, on housing, on turnover, on salaries, among others. This is like showing the people of Kenya the contempt card. The people can lament, plead, pray, and even picket to be listened to and still be ignored. This has never been seen in our country before. In the run-up to the voting on the finance bill, various polls showed that more than 90% of Kenyans rejected the finance bill. This kind of dictatorship is new. This budget is selfishly tailored to ensure Ruto and his cronies are living large and they eat well, where a majority are suffering. They are getting subsidies to import cooking oil, maize, sugar, rice, among others, as we saw in the media expose recently, and this is all at the expense of vulnerable Kenyans. In this finance bill, the regime's corruption is properly budgeted for. Money for the regime's cronies is hidden in the provisions like fertilizer subsidy, national agricultural and rural inclusivity, national agricultural value chain development, Kenya serious enhancement, whatever that means, emergency locust response, and small-scale irrigation and value addition, among others. What we are saying is that if these provisions are genuine, agriculture being a devolved function, these monies would be devolved to the county, but not left at the center with lofty-sounding words just to be siphoned by the corruption cartels. Where there has been inflation, we must now prepare for hyperinflation. With the new raft of taxes approved yesterday, especially the fuel tax, we must prepare that even the little that remained of our monies will simply vanish. To our MPs who fought gallantly for the people in these times of difficulty, we salute you and we celebrate you. We believe Kenyans do too. We celebrate the fact that whereas the regime had said not even a comma would be removed from the bill, our MPs, while pushing for the millions of Kenyans, were able to force the regime to accept not one, not two, but several amendments. Sadly, those amendments did not include the dreaded double taxation, double rise in taxation of fuel, which is going to have a ripple effect on the cost of living. The amendments managed by our gallant MPs were not enough to guarantee the kind of life Kenyans desire. To the MPs who knowingly supported a bill overwhelmingly rejected by Kenyans, we say to you that the jury is out. Your day of reckoning will come. The writing is on the wall for this regime, and as the Bible tells us, and if I were to quote a certain member of this illegitimate regime, it is as the Bible says, mene mene tekel. We have decided to invite Kenyans to a consultation at the Kamukuji grounds next Tuesday, the 27th of June at 10 a.m., where the next course of action will be decided. Whenever, as a people, we have come together, we have always found a solution, even to our worst problems. This time will be no different. We believe that in the end, it is the people's voices that will prevail. The only time we have suffered longer than we should is only when we have allowed dictators to rule longer than they should. And it is only when divide and rule succeeds. We must not let that to happen. The people can never be helpless in their own country against rogue leadership. Not in a democracy like ours, and not in the dictatorship they are trying to create. We want to remind Kenyans, our constitution, in the very first article, gives sovereignty to the people, which the people, even when they donate it to Parliament, to the executive, or to any other organ, the people still retain the residual sovereignty, which we are asking people, let us come together next Tuesday, let us decide what kind of life we want to live. Thank you and God bless. And His Excellency, Raila Amolo Odinga, the people's president and our leader, is out on a short trip. He will be back by the meeting on Tuesday, and so is my brother, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka. Two other principals are in Western Kenya today, that is Oparanya and Wanjakoya. But those of us who are present, we represent the entire Azimio side, fraternity. Asanteni sana, God bless.
Thank you.
Yeah.
My name is Joel Chacha from K24 TV. Interior Sieza Kindiki Kithure on Sunday warned that even as Azimio opposes this particular Finance Bill 2023, there should not be an option of going to the streets, as he will not allow that. Perhaps your rejoinder on that.
I think we just need to say that the Constitution is where our rights are entrenched. Our rights are not given by people sitting with donated power in public offices. The rights are God-given and entrenched in the Constitution. We seek no advice from anyone. Azimio is capable of taking its own decisions by looking at our laws and at the circumstances. That's what we would like to advise those who think they have become demigods.
All right. My name is Emmanuel Tor from KTN News. Just a quick question. You put up a very spirited fight yesterday in Parliament, Honorable Piendai, but you could barely manage 90 members to oppose the bill. Yet in the PG that we had here last time, you had 130 members in your corner. Are you concerned, and what action are you going to take for some members who actually voted during the physical vote for that bill? Thank you.
I think this is, I will save the minority leader from having to answer that and say this, and he should be properly referred to as the majority leader. I think as we take stock of the next steps, each party and the coalition as a whole will seek to put their house in order. This bill is not about which side of the divide we come from. It's actually a question for each MP to ask themselves, were you elected by the executive or by the people? Whom do you represent in Parliament? That is something they will have to reckon with the electorate, even as the parties sit within Azimio to ask themselves what course of action, when we get to know the reason for each individual's absence. Thank you.
Last question. My name is Justice Ocheng from Daily Nation. Actually, my question borders on what my colleague has asked. I just want to know, we've seen the Orange Democratic Party is the only party that has written show cause letters to its members who did not participate in the voting during the second reading. Azimio consists of nearly 26 other parties. What is the position of these other parties?
I think you also know that the process only concluded last night. So give the parties time to decide what they want to do to move forward. Also give our parliamentary group time, because it will begin from the parliamentary group, then to the individual parties. Let us not preempt.
Okay, mimi naitwa Majimaji kutoka Geto Radio. Niko sure Kenyans wanataka hii financial bill ikuwe reversed. Is there a way?
Tuesday is the determinant. As we have said, an institution called Parliament gets its mandate from the people, but the people retain the residual power. the executive, the judiciary, everybody, every state officer gets mandate from the people. The people will meet at Kamukunji grounds and they will roar back at Parliament and at the executive. We want to thank you.
Last one. My name is Luka Wich from the Star. Is going to court part of your strategy? Are you considering taking legal redress over this matter?
Tuesday is the day you get to know what we do. Thank you so much.